Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write long essay on the topic If I Were the Principal of My School. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. The success or failure of a school depends upon its principal. A principal has a very important place in the working of school. He can improve the standard of education in the school. He is a central figure in the school. If I were the principal of my school, I would introduce some ideas which are in my mind. Firstly, I would try to make games compulsory for all students. It is on the playground that the feelings of brotherhood, discipline, and social service are created among students. Secondly, I would like to give moral education to all the students. Moral education is necessary to make the students better, wiser, happier, and noble. Thirdly, I would like to keep a strict discipline in the school. The good tone of school depends upon the discipline. Fourthly, I would like to develop the social life of the school. I would start many kinds of clubs, associations, and debating societies. They will enlarge mental outlook of students. Lastly, I would discourage extravagance in the dress and habits of the students. I wish to see that students learning in my school may prove worthy in their life also.